What's going on with Samsung's software updates lately? It seems the company's smooth record with Android rollouts has suddenly hit a wall. The much-awaited One UI 8 update, based on Android 16, has now been paused for not just one, but two major flagship generations, the Galaxy S23 and the Galaxy S24 series. At first, everything was going great. Samsung was on a roll, releasing One UI 8 across its lineup. Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra users started getting the update by the end of September, and the rollout was expanding fast across different regions. But just as people were beginning to enjoy the new features, Samsung suddenly slammed the brakes. Reports now confirm that the rollout has been officially paused due to an unknown issue. What's even stranger is that this comes right after the exact same problem hit the newer Galaxy S24 and S24 models. So whatever is happening seems to be affecting multiple devices, and Samsung hasn't yet given an official reason why. Now, let's be honest, this kind of pause usually means one thing: a major last-minute bug has been discovered. These updates go through many stages of testing, but once they hit millions of real-world users, unexpected problems can still appear. Maybe it's a system crash, maybe battery drain, or maybe something breaking background processes. Whatever it is, Samsung clearly doesn't want to risk it spreading further. If you're a Galaxy S23 or S24 user waiting for the update, this delay might be frustrating, but it's actually a smart move. Rolling out a buggy update to millions of devices could cause far bigger problems than a short pause. And in fairness, Samsung has been one of the most consistent Android brands when it comes to updates. Over the past few years, it's earned a solid reputation for pushing updates faster than almost any other brand, sometimes even ahead of Google's own Pixel phones in terms of monthly security patches. That's what makes this situation feel a little embarrassing for Samsung. The company has worked hard to prove it's reliable and serious about software support, and now, back-to-back paused updates are raising eyebrows. It doesn't look great when both your flagship series have their updates pulled within weeks of each other. Still, it's important to remember that software development isn't easy. Even Google's Pixel phones, which get Android updates on day one, have had their share of buggy launches. The difference is that Samsung rarely has to pause rollouts after they've already started. That suggests this particular issue might be more complex than usual, something serious enough to trigger a complete stop. But before we get to critical, there's another way to look at it. This delay, while annoying, is actually a sign that Samsung's quality assurance process is doing its job. Catching a bug before it reaches everyone is better than letting it break phones globally. Imagine if the update caused massive battery drain, constant app crashes, or worse, phones stuck in a boot loop. A few extra weeks of waiting suddenly doesn't sound that bad, right? For now, Samsung hasn't shared when the rollout will resume. It's possible that engineers are already working on a patched version that fixes the issue, and once that's done, the update will start again. Until then, Galaxy users just have to wait patiently. What do you think? Should Samsung have been more transparent about what went wrong? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest Samsung news and One UI updates.